How you doing? This is Ed Cheney coming to you for Lifetime Athletic with the New Jersey Week in Review. This week was the opening week, which is a little unusual. Most of the leagues have started already, but this is the first week for our New Jersey leagues. We had the Little Giants take on Downtown. Downtown won that game 47-43. It was a little sloppy in the beginning, but they kind of ironed it out, and they both put together a nice game. But both of those teams have some work to do to compete with the upper part of the division. Second game was a rematch of the Spring Championship as Rock Nation took on Monstars. Rock Nation took the defeat 78-69. In that game, Ryan McPherson of the Monstars scored 30 points, while Rob Sargent scored 27 as well. The final game was Vivint Solar taking on Straight Raw. Vivint Solar is a team comprised of a lot of guys from out west, Utah, Arizona, some guys from Florham Park. They kind of surprised some people. They won that game 70-65. Now, looking forward into next week, we originally had a game scheduled for Tuesday and Wednesday. We're postponing Tuesday's game, and we're only going to make it Wednesday. Those Tuesday games will be made up the following week, which is the last week in July. So next Wednesday, the bye week team will be Vivid Solar, which is a little bit of a scheduling change because a lot of their guys are actually going all over the country right now. And it'll be actually the first game for the Eddie Mills team, UOENO. Eddie Mills said they're going to put together a good 7 or 8 guys. Some of their guys will have to sign up, but it's going to be interesting how they'll play a part in the division. I mean, Rock Nation just an hour ago added Tim Corrigan from Berkeley Heights. So he'll join James von Bischhausen, who's also from Berkeley Heights as well. So Rock Nation's really pulling from other parts of the state, not just from Florham Park. A guy like Jimmy Wilfong is still out there. If teams need a player, Jimmy's around. So like I said earlier, it's going to be interesting to see what happens. But I'm looking forward to a competitive week 2. Games will be 7:15, 8:15, 9:15 like usual. So this is Ed Tierney coming to you from Florham Park. Have a good night.
Versace, 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 whoa, Versace, 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 Medusa head on me like I'm Illuminati. I know that you like it. Versace, my neck and my wrist is so sloppy. Versace, Versace, I love it. Versace, the top of my Audi. My plug is Giancotti, he give me the dose and I know that they mighty. Shoes, shirt, Versace.